subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched the upgraded version of the Vivo V20 smartphone in India as Vivo V20 2021. And although the design of the smartphone looks identical to the earlier launched Vivo V20 smartphone, but it has some changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the new Vivo V20 supports a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses an 44 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features an triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes an 64 megapixel main camera with f1.89 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2 megapixel mono sensor with f2.4 aperture. Both the front and rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Vivo V20 2021 comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 11 out of the box with FunTouch OS 11 skin on top. The device comes backed by 4000 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.3 by 74.2 by 7.48 millimeters and it weighs around 172 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The new Vivo V20 2021 has been priced in India at 24,990 Indian rupees. And it is now available for purchase in the country in Midnight Jazz and Sunset Melody color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V20 2021 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.